Hi viewers, today I am going to make Allipotta Rasam. That means just grab and put it. So for that I have taken one tomato, coriander leaves, mustard seeds, cumin seeds, here the black pepper and cumin seeds crushed, half teaspoon each. I have taken half teaspoon tuvar dal. Here again I have kept half teaspoon tuvar dal, curry leaves, kokam. Instead of that you can use a small size lemon size of tamarind, a small piece of jaggery, turmeric powder, salt, hing powder, ghee. These are the ingredients for this. Now the water is boiling. 2 cups of water I have taken here. Just put the tomato in it. Half teaspoon tuvar dal, few curry leaves, turmeric powder, salt, jaggery and hing powder, the kokam petals. Now bring this to boil for 2 to 3 minutes. Now time to add the crushed black pepper and the cumin seeds. Put a little bit of coriander leaves in it. Let this come to a boil. Add some more water and little froth. In the meantime we will prepare the tadka. The ghee is hot. Mustard seeds and cumin seeds. Again little bit of Asafoetida, curry leaves, the tuvar dal, the fried tuvar dal gives a good flavor to the rasam. No need to add cooked dal in it. This is done. We'll put it in the rasam. Wow, the nice aroma is coming from the fried tuvar dal. Now let this froth and cover and keep it and serve it with the rice. Today I have prepared the lapsi. I am going to serve this along with this lapsi rice. Put some more coriander leaves. If you want, you can add a little bit of rasam powder in it, but actually the rasam powder is not added to it. Thank you so much for watching the video. Subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment. Eat healthy, stay healthy. Save water, plant tree. Save the environment for the future generation. Thanks once again. It has started frothing. At this point of time, you have to switch off the gas. Do not boil the rasam. I have switched off the gas. The Allipotta Rasam along with lapsi rice and papad is ready here to serve. Thanks once again.